In this quick video, I'm going to show you where your jack point is on this 2019 Subaru Outback. So I'm going to be jacking this car up for a different video. I wanted to show you where the jack point is. There's two on each side, one in the front, one in the back. In the front, let's see. Let's go under and look at the frame. This outer edge right here is your frame. And as you get closer to the tire, you can see that the frame makes a sharp turn. This L-shaped section right here is going to be a very strong part of your frame. I want to show you another point as well. When you look at the pinched edge of the frame, you see these two little divots. That's going to be where your jack point is. They recommend you put it right here. Alternatively, if you go a little bit further on the inside, you can see your subframe. This lighter color, lots of flat points are offered. These are good jacking points. Don't go on, this is plastic of course, don't go on the plastic, but rather you can go right here on your subframe. So now I'm pointing at the control arm right here. I would not jack the car up on that. So as you jack it up, it will pivot, it'll move, and then the jack will actually shift. So that's a no-no. Definitely stick to the outer frame or the subframe. So again, look for the divots in the curled outer edge of the frame. Here's one on the passenger front side. Here's an example of one on the passenger rear, and it's identical on the driver's side. So here I'm going to be positioning, you can see the cutouts. Don't get this curled bar, of course, because that's just kind of sticking out. And you want to get you want to position the jack on the actual frame itself, just on the other side of that there. I hope that visual helps. I'm going to even angle it more right there so that it can get more of that frame where it's curving. That's going to be a strong point. So I did a few pumps. Let's take a look at how things are situating. So it's on the frame and not the curled edge. It's in the right location. So I'm going to keep elevating. Something important to do, chalk up as you lift, things shift. Next, something I like to do is set up some redundancy. So I get a jack stand, and on that subframe, I'm going to elevate it just so that it's barely touching. And now I'm going to lower the jack so that it's supporting on the jack stand. A little slowly. Okay, so now I'm on the jack stand. Pump this up a little bit, and so now I have 2 points of contact in case there's a failure. I have redundancy. I hope that was helpful for you. I know it can be kind of confusing when you get under there and look at a new car for the first time. Thanks for watching.